With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question says distinguish between a microscope and a telescope. So we have to write the differences in microscope and a telescope. Our first difference is that the microscope is meant to magnify very tiny objects whereas a telescope makes the distant object looks closer. So this is the basic difference. Now the next difference is the telescope makes an inverted image. But microscope gives the erect image. Now the third difference is in compound microscope objective lens has smaller focal length. But in telescope the objective lens has larger focal length than the eyepiece. So these are the general difference between a microscope and a telescope. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.